today I will be showing you a video on how to make a paper box. It is very easy to make. You can get the template for this craft from the Canon Creative site. If you're interested for more paper crafts like this, you can get the templates along with the instructions for different animals, birds and fishes in this site as well. Now you just have to follow the instructions that come along with the template for completing this craft. This craft will help your children to boost their creativity and patience. The link for the site will be given in the description box below. Give a like to this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you then. Bye.